20 herb names in English and their uses. What are herbs? Herbs are small plants with delicate stems. It adds flavor to cooking. This is basil. Basil is known for its fragrant leaves and is often used in Italian dishes like pasta and pizza. Meet mint. Mint has a refreshing taste and is perfect for making mint tea or adding to desserts. Here's rosemary. Rosemary has a strong pine-like aroma and is great for seasoning meats and potatoes. This is thyme. Thyme is a versatile herb used in soups, stews, and baked foods. Say hello to parsley. Parsley is often used as a garnish and adds a fresh flavor to many dishes. Meet cilantro. Cilantro is popular in Mexican and Asian cuisine and has a unique, fresh taste. This is sage. Sage has a strong, earthy flavor and is often used in stuffing, soups, and sausages. Here's dill. Dill is perfect for pickles and adds a lovely flavor to fish and salads. Say hello to oregano. Oregano is a must-have for pizza and pasta sauces with its warm, peppery taste. This is tarragon. Tarragon has a sweet, anise-like flavor and is often used in French cooking. Meet chives. Chives have a mild onion flavor and are great for sprinkling on top of baked potatoes and soups. Say hello to chamomile. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties and is often used to make tea. Here's lavender. Lavender has a sweet floral aroma and is used in baking and for making lavender tea. This is fennel. Fennel has a sweet, licorice-like flavor and can be used in savory and sweet dishes. Meet lemongrass. Lemongrass has a citrusy flavor and is commonly used in Asian cuisine, especially Thai dishes. Say hello to marjoram. Marjoram has a sweet, floral flavor and is often used in Mediterranean and North American dishes. Here's bay leaf. Bay leaves are used to flavor soups, stews, meat, and sauces, but remember to take them out before eating. Here's leek. Leeks have a mild, sweet onion flavor and are great in soups and stews. Say hello to celery. Celery is crunchy and refreshing, perfect for salads, soups, and snacks. Meet spinach. Spinach is packed with nutrients and is delicious in salads, smoothies, and cooked dishes. Thank you for watching EcoNest. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.